So this wig is beautiful, y'all. Hands down. Hands down. This wig is absolutely beautiful. But I got some things to tell y'all. And I'm ready to tell you about this wig. I gotta tell y'all about this wig. So this is the Freetress Lacey wig. I have the color Sand Burst. This is a 4x4 closure wig, meaning that you're gonna get 4x4 lace in the middle here. It's all lace and it's a closure. On the sides, you're not going to get any lace. Like I said, it's a closure, so the lace is only going to be up to here. This is a synthetic wig. It's really long, guys. So it's so long. It's like touching my butt. And then you get these nice kind of loose waves. It's straighter up here and the waves kind of start right here. The color is beautiful. You're going to get this brown at the end here in the tips. And then you're going to get like these face frame and highlights only in the front right here. This is where you're going to get your highlight on the wig. Let me tell you how I feel about the wig. First of all, the cap on this wig feels really good. It's really comfortable. I'm really impressed with the cap. It's a good cap. I feel like this wig is perfect for beginners. It's a put on your head and go wig. The lace on this wig was a little bit darker. I did go in with powder only in my parting space just to kind of brighten it up and make it look more like a part, but I feel like I messed it up, made it look a little bit more orange. But you know the way you fix that, you put a little bit of water and bam bam bam, okay, you press and then that's it, you fix it. It does come with this middle part, so I just kind of went with that. But again, 4x4 closure. What does that mean? We can go to the side, we can do a lot of stuff on this wig. Ooh, we could swoop this wig. Oh man, y'all, I already took pictures in this wig and I ain't do no swoop. But you know what? If you want to swoop this wig and put it to the side, you could do that. The things I discovered on camera, so you can swoop it, okay? It's kind of a bootleg swoop because I didn't do it before. But you can part this wig any way you like it. That's the beauty of 4x4 closures. The texture feels good and it's really soft. Now, let me tell you some cons. I did have to go in with some synthetic wig spray. This is a synthetic wig. Synthetic wigs and length sometimes don't work well together. The fact that this wig is so long, it is going to get tangly on you. It is kind of snagging, and I did have to go in with some spray. Am I going to be walking around with spray at happy hour with my friends? No, but you set it and you kind of got to leave it alone. I did take some pictures in this wig with a ponytail. So this wig is beautiful, y'all. Hands down. Hands down. This wig is absolutely beautiful. But I got some things to tell y'all. This wig is shedding on me so bad. So bad that it's kind of turning me off. And I know that synthetic wigs shed. If you're not used to synthetic wigs, they shed, they tangle, they do all kind of stuff. You know certain friends, you know what they do in your life. But this one right here, she just shedding a little bit too much. As I'm putting my fingers through her, guys, I keep getting strands, and she's just coming out. She's just coming out, and that's a huge, look at that. Whew, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's such a turn off for me when a wig just constantly is shedding. Like, this wig is shedding on me. This is some of the hair that I did get, and this is not even all of the hair. It's like, it's coming out like, you know when you have a sheet or a piece of fabric and you pull the thread and it just keep going and going and going, and that's kind of how it feels. But like I said, she's super pretty, so, you know, put her in a ponytail and leave her alone. Do what you need to do. I don't know. Hold on, let me talk to my friend KEASHA. What's up, KEASHA? I'm filming, girl. I'm about to put you in my video.
Oh my
Hold
God,
on, y'all.
silly.
Sorry, y'all. I had to talk to my friend KEASHA. Hey, KEASHA. Anyways, yeah, I really do like this wig, guys. I did go ahead and go in with this new Ebony New York Wonder Lace Tint Spray. This spray holds your wig really good. This spray is so secure, y'all. Like, this wig is not moving at all. And it's not that I don't like my Kufani or my bedhead. It's just that I'm a junkie. I like to try different products. Now, this wig, you don't really need to secure it, but I felt like because I couldn't find my wig grip, and of course I found it now, I felt like it was gonna slide a little bit, so I felt like I just needed a little bit security just to kind of keep it in place. I feel like if you use a wig grip, you should be fine, but if you do want kind of more a melted effect, definitely use a little bit of spray. This is not a long-term adhesive. This is just to kind of melt it for the day. I did also try to somewhat attempt to pluck this wig. Synthetic wigs sometimes are really hard to pluck, and because it's a middle part, I just feel like it's kind of pointless after a couple wears of this, especially shedding so bad. I'm gonna throw it away. So, you know, I'm not doing all that updo stuff. I don't really know why I tried to do that, but overall I do like this wig. I think she's cute. I feel like she's a good kind of picture wig, or a wig to kind of, you know, go out, but she definitely is a shedder. Anyway, either way, I like it. I think it's cute. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.